Hi, I'm Mark Reedy here. Just wanted to show you real quickly how to get rid of the extra backups that are created in a hidden folder, somewhat hidden, that are created in order as a sort of a fail-safe to create an extra backup when you create your backups. So you're might see a message once it hits 30. It's going to pop up a little warning letting you know there's 30 backups in there and you might want to clean it out. So I'm going to click on Tools and then Backup and Compact Data. I'm going to go ahead and click Start. And you can see here that it says there's over 30 backups in the C Program Files x86 TATEMS 2005 TATEMS 2005 BE backup folder, basically. And you may want to start deleting these oldest backups in that folder or moving them to an external drive. If you're not sure how to do that, see the video here, Remove Old Backups. So what you can do is after the backup's completed and you have seen that message, you can navigate over to your files in Windows and go to your C drive. So I'm going to go to this PC, I'm going to go to the local disk C on this computer. Then I'm going to go into TATEMS, depending on if you have a 64-bit computer or a 32-bit computer, and most modern computers are 64-bit computers, it's going to be in Program Files x86, but if it's an older computer, it may be in just Program Files. You might not see an x86 here. So I'm going to go to Program Files x86, then I'm going to go into the TATEMS 2005 folder, and then I'm going to go to this TATEMS 2005 BE backup. And this is where all the extra backups are kept. The sort of the fail-safe backups that are created in addition to the backup that you have chosen to put in the location you have chosen. So basically you can see over here down on the bottom left, you can see there's 38 items in this one. So I could delete the older ones. I can sort by date modified, and then I could just start, delete out the ones that are maybe, more than 2 weeks old, more than a month old, whatever, just so you have a bit of a cushion there in case something goes wrong and you need to recover some data for some reason. So I'm just going to go ahead and highlight those, and then I can press delete. It puts them in the recycle bin. You can recover them out of there later, or you can clear out the recycle bin periodically. And that's all you got to do to clear out those extra backups that are created. Alright, thanks for watching. Take care.